When you have had an overproductive day, you come home and you take a long shower, as long as you can. After the shower, you go to the kitchen and you make something that is delicious, something that relieves stress and relaxes you. Watch this. Some oat milk, vanilla, right? With some lavender flower. And you're gonna make you a little lavender oat milk latte. Yes, it's very delicious. You have to take my word for it. I do it as often as I can, right? Yes. So we're gonna fill this up to about there, max. Yeah. And then we're gonna cut the milk on. Let it start spinning, right? Then we're gonna add in the lavender flowers. Yes, delicious. And then some raw honey. Not much, just a little bit. Right in there. Isn't that just gorgeous? Look at that. So as we know, lavender is very relaxing and it smells good. So I'm going to enjoy this. I'm going to take myself to sleep because it's been an overproductive day. Yes. You see that nice foam? Look at that. Look at that. So good. So good. Delish. You can already tell I am sleepy. This is delicious, guys. Try it. I promise you to sleep good tonight. Bye, guys.